So, before I give the results at the end of round 1, some petitions I need to address. The first one is from Mfantsiman Girls about the chemistry, first set of chemistry questions. They were to give one valid set of quantum numbers for an electron in the 4p subshell. The answer I got was n equals 4, l equals 1, ml equals -1, 0, plus 1, ms equals plus half. That doesn't answer the question. The question said you were to give one valid set. By giving all the 3 possible sets for ml, it's not a valid set. So that is incorrect. Then the next one, which is the biology question for this college, you were to explain how the ventricles help contribute to heart beating. And then you did mention that pumping blood, so the consultant said I should accept it. So they get the 3 points. Then the next set, the second set of physics questions, find the net charge on an isolated conducting sphere of radius 0.30 meters, whose surface is at -24 volts. The answer should be -0.80 nanocoulomb. So St. Augustine gets the bonus. Then the last set of biology questions, where they were to name the plant or part of the plant or group of plants that commonly possess the name structure. For Mfantsiman Girls, they had pneumatophores, and that should have been helophytes. The correct answer is helophytes, with the white mangrove being an example. So 400 degrees Celsius, if its resistance is 20.0 ohms at 300.0 degrees Celsius and 30.0 ohms at 425 degrees Celsius. St. Augustine's College.
28.0 ohms.
Yes. $30 seconds. If an object of height 2.0 millimeters produces an image of height 4.0 centimeters in an optical instrument, find the height of the image of a 1.5. Yes, St. Augustine's.
3.0 centimeters.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. Find the maximum kinetic energy of a 0.20 kilogram object undergoing simple harmonic motion of amplitude 0.10 meters and angular frequency 5.0 rad. Yes, St. Augustine's College.
It is 2.5 by 10. And this 10 is raised to an exponent of -2 joules.
Yes. 10 seconds. What term is used to define the removal of a strip of bark from around a tree? It's known as plant girdling. 10 seconds. To which class do flukes belong? St. Augustine's College?
The class Trematoda.
Yes. Seconds. Name the chlorophyll type possessed by green algae. Nyakrom SHTS.
Chlorophyll A.
Incorrect. Who else? 1. Hope College.
Chlorophyll A.
Incorrect. St. Augustine's College.
Chlorophyll B.
No. Yes. Chlorophyll A and B. 30 seconds. Find the next 3 terms of a sequence defined by the recurrence relation U subscript n plus 2 equals U subscript n plus 1 plus U subscript n, given U1 equals 1 and U2 equals 3. St. Augustine's College.
The next term, that's U3, equals positive 4. And then the next one, that's U subscript 4, equals 7. And then the next one, that's U subscript 5, equals 11.
Yes. Seconds. A and B are independent events in a sample space S. Given probability of A equals 0.50, probability of B equals 0.60. Yes, St. Augustine's.
0.80.
Yes. Next. Seconds. Express 6 all divided by x squared plus x minus 2.
We have a fraction with a numerator of negative 2 and the denominator is x plus 2, and then plus another fraction which has a numerator of 2 and denominator x minus 1.
Yes. Seconds. What mass of magnesium 2 nitrate is in a 500 centimeter cube solution of the salt? if its concentration is 0.40, yes,
2.0 by 10 to an exponent of 1 grams.
correct. Yes, Nyakrom.
29.6 grams.
Yes. 30 seconds. Calculate the solubility of a saturated solution of iron 2 hydroxide if the concentration of the hydroxide ions is 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 5. Yes, St. Augustine's College.
1.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 5 mole per dm cube.
Yes. The last question for round 2. 30 seconds. What is the empirical formula for a fluoride that contains 25.2% of sulfur? St. Augustine's College.
It is SF6.
Incorrect. Nyakrom. 4, sorry.
SF4.
Incorrect. Nyakrom.
SF subscript 3.
No. Did someone else press the bell? Okay. SF5, and that ends round 2.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Radar received now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, ya, dia.
At the end of round 2, Hope College, 11 points. Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, 12 points. Nyakrom Senior High Technical School, 14 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School, 16 points. St. Augustine's College, 46 points. Substitution. Hope College, we have John Godwin Kali coming in for Christopher Kumsen. Nyakrom Senior High Technical School, Rachel Aduma coming in for Bright Yenu Asari. For St. Augustine's College, we have Daniel Ajaho coming in for Harold Adama. And then for Mfantsiman Girls, Victoria is coming in for Agnes. Okay, you're all welcome. Round 3. In this round, each school gets a statement. Contestants, you have 10 seconds to tell me whether the statement I made is true or false. Correct statements, 2 points. Correct answer, 2 points. An incorrect answer, a deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer. For that, I'll pass the statement on. And the first school to ring the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. For this round, I start from Hope College. The hybridization of the carbon atoms involved in the triple bond of an alkyne is sp2.
False.
False. Nyakrom SHTS. Alkynes can undergo addition reaction to form alkenes. Yes. Emmanuel.
True.
It's true. St. Augustine's College. Alkynes can undergo addition reaction to form alkanes.
True.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls, terminal alkynes have a slightly acidic hydrogen. Yes, Tamara.
True.
Yes. Obiri Yeboah, alkynes can show geometric isomerism similar to alkenes. Mfantsiman Girls for a bonus.
False.
False. A preamble. Alternation of generation is present in the named group of organism. Alternation of generation is present in the named group of organism. Hope College, aquatic plants.
False.
Incorrect. Nyakrom SHTS, vines. Yes. Emmanuel.
True.
Yes. St. Augustine's College, epiphytes.
True.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls, lioness. Tamara.
True.
Yes. Obiri Yeboah, gymnosperms.
False.
No. A preamble for a square matrix. For a square matrix. Hope College. If the determinant is negative, the matrix has no inverse.
False.
Yes. Nyakrom SHTS. If the determinant is non-negative, the matrix has an inverse.
False.
Yes. St. Augustine's College. If the determinant is non-positive, the matrix has an inverse.
False.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls. If the matrix is positive, if the determinant is positive, the matrix has an inverse.
True.
Yes. Obiri, Yeboah. If the determinant is 0, the matrix has no inverse.
True.
Yes, that's correct. Hope College. Two surfaces experience lower friction when rolling than when Two surfaces experience lower friction when rolling than when sliding against each other.
True.
Yes. Nyakrom SHTS. Lubricated surfaces exhibit lower friction than unlubricated surfaces. Yes. Emmanuel. Yes. St. Augustine's College. An effective lubricant is always a liquid.
False.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls. Lubrication is ineffective against rolling friction. Yes.
False.
Yes. Obiri, Yeboah. Two surfaces sliding against each other experience nearly the same friction when sliding at high as low speeds.
True.
Yes. Hope College. A pipette is used to measure approximate volumes of liquid during titration.
False.
Yes. Nyakrom SHTS. Pipettes are more accurate than burettes and measuring cylinders. Emmanuel?
False.
No. St. Augustine's College. Pipettes should always be held vertically when drawing accurate volumes of liquids.
True.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls. Pipettes should be rinsed with distilled water right before measuring solutions. Tamara?
False.
Yes. Obiri, Yeboah. It is crucial to ensure all residue of solution in the pipette is transferred.
False.
Yes. Hope College. Gymnosperm fruits are cones.
True.
No. Nyakrom SHTS. Gymnosperms always possess needle-like leaves. Emmanuel?
False.
Yes. St. Augustine's College. Gymnosperm stomata are sunken.
False.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman Girls. Gymnosperms produce relatively small amounts of pollen. Tamara?
False.
Yes. Obiri, Yeboah. Gymnosperms may never lose their leaves.
True.
Yes. A preamble, the given equation represents a circle. The given equation represents a circle. Hope College, x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus 4x minus 8y equals 10.
False.
Yes. Nyakrom SHTS, 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 6x plus 9y equals 0.
True.
Yes. St. Augustine's College, x squared plus 2y squared plus 8x plus 5y equals 0.
False.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls, x squared minus y squared plus 6x plus 10y equals 0.
False.
Yes. Obiri Yeboah, x squared plus y squared plus plus 3x minus 7y equals 0.
True.
Yes. The last set of statements for round 3 with a preamble. An initially discharged 10 millifarad capacitor is charged in series with a 1 kilo ohm resistor. And initially, so this one they need 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay. An initially discharged 10 millifarad capacitor is charged in series with a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Hope College. The capacitor charges with a time constant of 10 seconds. Yes.
True.
That's correct. Nyakrom SHTS, the capacitor is fully charged in 10 seconds.
False.
Yes. St. Augustine's College, the capacitor is about 90% charged in 10 seconds.
False.
Yes. Mfantsiman Girls, the capacitor is less than 36.7% charged in 10 seconds.
False.
That's correct. And Obiri Yeboah SHS, the capacitor is about 63.2% charged in 10 seconds.
False.
Incorrect. And that ends round 3. of round 3, Hope Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, 20 points. Hope College, 21 points. Nyakrom Senior High Technical School, 27 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School, 34 points. Augustine College, 59 points. Round 4. Riddles round. I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. Set of clues to one particular thing. You can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. It's riddle. Join us when we move to the next riddle. When you ring the bell, you are to begin giving your answer within 3 seconds, or you'll be belled out. Are we okay? At stake in this round is the Girl Riddle Bonanza. If a school is able to solve 3 riddles correctly, the school gets 200 cedis. 4 riddles, the team gets 400 cedis. The Girl Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Girl PLC, Good Energy, Riddle, and by Living Things. I may be an independent structure or a cell. I ensure succession occurs. Usually, I am the St. Augustine's College.
Gamete.
Incorrect. Usually, I am the larger one of a pair of cells. I may or may not be shelled. I am produced by females. Who am I? Nyakrom SHTS.
Eggs.
Egg is correct. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a 4-digit even number. My first digit is a square. My second digit is a prime factor of my first digit. Oh, sorry. Let me start. I'm a 4-digit even number. My first digit is a square. My last digit is a prime factor of my first digit. The number formed by my first 2 digits is a square. The Hope College.
4,992.
Incorrect. My third digit is the same as my first. Yes, St. Augustine's College.
4,942.
That is correct. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a nuclear particle. My mass is slightly different from the mass of a related particle. I am stable in the free states. However, I can decay. Nyakrom SHTS. Emmanuel.
Neutron.
Incorrect. Proton College. Sorry. Hope College.
Proton.
Yes. Oh, no. So I gave the answer out, so I have to give a new riddle. The third riddle. I am a naturally occurring element. I am used in radiometric. Yes.
Cobalt.
Incorrect. I am used in radiometric dating. Who? 5. Was it 5 or 4? 5. Obiri Yeboah.
Carbon.
Incorrect. Who else pressed? 4.
Uranium.
That is correct. 4 points. 4 points. Oh dear. So I gave the answer out for one of the riddles. So I'm going to replace it. But Nyakrom, since you attempted, you have to sit out. And this goes to the other 4 schools: Hope College, St. Augustine's, Mfantsiman Girls, and Obiri Yeboah. I am a physical law. I describe a type of interactions between bodies. Mfantsiman Girls?
Gravitational interaction.
Incorrect. I am an inverse square law. Some early experiments that established me employed thin foil covered. St. Augustine's College.
Coulomb's law.
That is correct. 3 points. And that ends round 4. end of the contest, Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, 20 points. Hope College, 21 points. Nyakrom Senior High Technical School, 30 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School, 38 points. St. Augustine's College wins with 65 points. Thank you for joining us for the 2025 Goal Regional Championship from the Central Region. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC with support from Momo, from MTN, and Joy News. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Thank you.